Good afternoon, students. Today I will discuss one of the most important chapter of materials. In case of materials, generally three types of sums are available in the question. Generally comes in the question paper in examination. One is stock levels, formula for stocks levels, sum on stocks level, then EOQ, and then lastly the on stores ledger. There are generally three types of sum. Again I am telling, first one is sum on stock level, next on sum on EOQ, that is economic order quantity, and the last one is sum on stores ledger. Now today first we will begin with the stock level. Before doing the sum of stock level, we must know the formula of stock level. Just I am clarifying the formula first. Reorder level, that is maximum usage or consumption. Usage and consumption, they are the same term, into maximum delivery period or reorder period or lead time. Okay, now I am explaining what is usage delivery period or reorder period or lead time. In case of lead time, you should found lead time is given in this way, 2 to 4 weeks. What does it mean? It is very easy. Today we are very much familiar in giving orders in different online shops like Amazon, Flipkart. We are using it enormously, and what we have found, when we have given the order, they give us the feedback that the goods will be delivered within 2 to 4 days. That 2 to 4 days means that is the lead time, and the range is the lead time, and 2 is the minimum order period, minimum delivery period, and 4 will be the maximum delivery period. And if somebody asks you what is the normal or average, it is very simple. 2 plus 4 divided by 2, 3 days, that will be your normal or average delivery period. In case of week, suppose they have given you that the goods will be delivered within 2 to 4 weeks, then 2 will be your minimum delivery period, 4 will be your maximum delivery period, and 3 will be your average or normal delivery period. How we have got 3? 2 plus 4 divided by 2. Now again, reorder level. There is another formula of reorder level, that is minimum level or safety stock, minus average usage into average delivery period. This is the another formula of reorder level. What is safety stock? Safety stock is actually acts as a cushion or buffer to run the business. Then maximum level, what is the formula? Reorder level plus reorder quantity minus within bracket minimum usage into minimum delivery period. Next, minimum stock level. Actually this should be written as maximum stock level, minimum stock level. Minimum stock level, reorder level minus average usage into normal or average delivery period into reorder level minus average usage or consumption into average or normal delivery period. Okay, now come back to danger level. What is danger level? Normal usage into urgent delivery period, normal usage into urgent delivery period. Now we move on to average level. What is average level? Average level is maximum level minus half into reorder quantity, minimum level minus half into reorder quantity. Another formula of average level is half of maximum stock level plus minimum stock level. Okay, understood. Now we move on to the sum. Now this is the sum. Compute the maximum level, minimum level, reordering level, average level and danger level of stock for the material calcium carbonate in an industry on the basis of the following data. Normal consumption 240 units, maximum consumption 300 units, minimum consumption 200 units. Delivery period 10 to 25 days, normal delivery period 12 days, delivery period for emergency, that is 5 days, economic order quantity 1500 units. Students, I am telling you one thing, that normal consumption and maximum consumption, maximum consumption and minimum consumption as well as normal consumption is given. But if normal consumption is not given, then what we should do? 300 plus 200 divided by 2, that your answer will be normal consumption 250. Likewise, delivery period, look at the 10 and 15, that is given 25. If the normal delivery period is not given, then what will be your answer? 25 divided by 2, that is 12.5. Now starts from the beginning. Reorder level we have done. Reorder level, what is the formula? Reorder maximum consumption into maximum delivery period. Then what is the maximum consumption? Maximum consumption 300. What is the maximum delivery period? Into 15, 4500 units. Next, then what we have got? The reorder level. Next, maximum level is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum usage into minimum delivery period. Then what we have got? Right now we have calculated the reordering level 4500. Then reordering quantity is also known as economic order quantity 1500 minus, it must be written in within bracket. There is a mistake in the books, you should write it in the within bracket 200 into 10. Why it is 200? Minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. Then what will be your answer? 6000 minus 2000, then 4000 units. Next, minimum level, what is the formula? Reorder level minus within bracket normal usage into normal delivery period. Then what we have calculated? Reorder level, that we have calculated. Then this should be my within bracket, because normal consumption is given 240 into what is the normal delivery period? 12. Then the answer comes out as 1620 units. Next, average stock level, what they have done? Minimum level plus half into reorder or economic order quantity. Then minimum stock level, actually it is minimum stock level, we have calculated the minimum stock level, that is 1620 units plus half into reorder quantity or EOQ, that is 750. Then it is 1620 plus 750, 2370. Next, danger level is actually given as normal rate of consumption into delivery time required at emergency. The normal consumption, that is given 240, and in the question delivery period for emergency, that is 5 days is given. Then what will be the danger level? 240 into 5, 1200 units. It is one of the very easy sum for the chapter of materials, stock level. I hope that you have understood, and very good afternoon to all of you.